In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center for the 2025 setup. This process will allow you to seamlessly sync your products, ensuring they reach the wider audience you're aiming for on Google. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we're going to install the Google and YouTube app on your Shopify store. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin and head over to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. Once you're there, look for the option to customize or access the Shopify App Store and type Google and YouTube in the search bar. Once you find the official app, click Add or Install. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for connecting your Shopify store to Google Merchant Center. Now, with the app installed, it's time to connect your Google account and set up the Merchant Center. Open the Google and YouTube app and click on Connect Google Account. Make sure to select the Google account that is linked to your Merchant Center. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions to proceed. If needed, you can choose to link an existing Merchant Center account or create a new one when prompted. Next, let's configure your store and product feed. This is where you'll input essential store information in the app. Follow the setup steps to add details like payment methods, store policies, including refund and terms of service, and contact information. Crucially, if required, ensure your online store password protection is turned off for seamless integration. Configure your product feed by specifying the target country, language, and shipping details. Double-check that your Google and Merchant Center accounts are correctly linked by verifying the account ID in your settings. After everything is set up, it's time to sync and review your products. The app will automatically start syncing your products, but keep in mind, this process can take up to an hour. In the meantime, you can monitor the status of your products, whether they're approved, pending, or not approved, right within the app or directly in Google Merchant Center. If you encounter any issues with products not being approved, take a closer look at the specific errors. Make sure to correct the product data as necessary to comply with Google's policies. Although Google will automatically handle most of the syncing, there might be settings available for you to adjust manual sync preferences, ensuring you have the control you might need. And there you have it. Connecting Shopify to Google Merchant Center doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you're ensuring a greater reach for your products on one of the largest platforms out there. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a like or comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.